Hello everyone, in this short video we will go over the feature set of AlgaLaser Alpha Laser Engraver. Let's go over feature set of our Alpha Laser Engraver. AlgaLaser Alpha frame is constructed by 6063 aluminum. Uses NEMA's 17-stepper motors and 2-axis physical limit switches. The machine full size is 680 by 590 by 200 mm high. The engraved area is 400 by 400 mm. We understand how important turnover and productivity is. Therefore, we optimized AlgaLaser Alpha to be capable of engraving a movement up to 30,000 mm per minute. Alpha will be able to increase engraving output by at least 50%. All AlgaLaser machines come equipped with a solid and easily adjustable laser model slider. Once levered is lowered, the laser can be easily but more importantly precisely adjusted. On the AlgaLaser Alpha, the cable management is built on the frame. No longer will our users have to worry about dangling and loose cables or tubes. Additionally, AlgaLaser Alpha comes from factory with an air assist tubing pre-installed in the frame. No matter what laser head you use, the air assist tubing is already present. We know that one of the problems that afflicts most laser engravers is the difficulty settings and maintaining proper belt tension. On Alpha, both X and Y axes are equipped with mechanical belt tensioners, giving granular control on each of the three belt tension. We know many users require flexibility of height on engraving materials. AlgaLaser Alpha was built with the modular razors. The Alpha high engraving and movement speed created the need of improved mechanical structure. Alpha wheels are high endurance and performance, being made from nylon contrary to the standard molded ABC. At AlgaLaser, security and safety are utmost importance. AlgaLaser Alpha is equipped from factory with emergency switch, security key lock, and RGB power button. Let's first talk about one of the most important security features of Alpha, the emergency switch. That's it, everything stops immediately. Once the emergency situation is resolved, all that is required is to release the emergency switch. This is how it should be done. Hold, rotate clockwise, confirm it's released, and that's it. Laser engravers are becoming stronger and stronger. It's important to control the access to the machine when it's not supervised. For this purpose, AlgaLaser Alpha is equipped with a case safety on-off switch. To us, it's very important that the user can understand exactly everything that is happening with the laser engraver. Therefore, AlgaLaser Alpha is equipped with the RGB power button. This button will give constant feedback to the user on the status of the machine. These status updates are given by sound and visual color codes. Let me show you AlgaLaser inputs and outputs. The Alpha Laser Engraver uses the new USB standard, USB Type-C. The data interface is USB 2.0 standards for backwards compatibility. However, the new USB Type-C connector is more robust and resilient for heavy usage environments. The Alpha machine uses a standard DC jack barrel as a power input. For the 20-watt model, the machine comes equipped with a 24-watt 6-amp power adapter. Adapters to power adapters are possible if stronger laser modules are used. One of the innovations Alga Laser brings to the laser industry is Smart Connection Protocol. With Alga Laser Smart Connect technology, all Alga Laser machines will recognize immediately the accessories connected and automatically configure the machine firmware. Each accessory will have plug-and-play functionality and be ready to use immediately after connection. Once accessory is disconnected, our machines will also recognize this and revert to the previous firmware configuration. In this way, Alga Laser is creating a smart ecosystem of accessories and machines that will be digitally talk to each other. Alga Laser will always use innovation to make the life of our users easier. No more having to configure your firmware if you connect an accessory and then revert it all back when it's disconnected. I will say it again, for us security and safety are paramount. Alongside with all the hardware safety features, all Alga Laser machines have an additional level of software safety measures. Our machines are equipped with the latest ESP32 CPUs, internal 32 GB of storage, as well as multiple sensors to keep both machine and users safe. Among many features that could be specified in terms of software feature, it's important to point out the three ones that the most improve user safety protections. First, we have the Alga Laser Gyroscope Sensor Array. With multiple sensors in the motherboard, your Alpha machine can always know what is happening. The movements and speed of the frame are always being evaluated, making sure the machine is responding with precision to what is being asked. In the same line of protection, Alga Laser has the laser over the exposure sensor. The motherboard will parse the J-code, and if the motion of the machine is too slow for the level of optical input of the laser, which can cause overheating of material and have the material ignite a flame, the machine will immediately stop engraving with an alert. Lastly, but also very important, Alpha motherboard monitors quality and power input. If for error or fault of power adapter, the voltages are outside normal parameters, the motherboard will enter in auto protection mode, preventing damage of the electronic components. There are multiple ways you can connect your Alga Laser Alpha to control an engraving project. The most common and frequent use case is using a wired connection via USB serial port. When the Alpha machine is connected via USB, it can be compatible with PC, Linux, and Mac OS, but the choices of software variety depending on the operation system. The most relevant software at the moment is Lightburn software, which is fully compatible with all platforms. For Windows is Laser GRBL, which is also an industrial standard platform. Soon, Alga Laser will also launch a dedicated multi-platform desktop application that will connect to all laser engravers in the market. Alga Laser Alpha is also able to connect to all software stated before Lightburn and Laser GRBL via Wi-Fi connection. Your Alpha is fully capable to join your Wi-Fi network and receive commands and instructions fully wirelessly. When in wireless mode, Alpha can also be controlled via our Alga Laser mobile app, available for iOS and very soon also available for Android. Lastly, Alpha has internal storage, meaning that our users can store their favorite engraving files into memory, and in the complete offline manner engrave multiple times the same file. This will make serializing jobs quite efficient and increase work output. On laser engraving, everything is of little importance, or the laser model is not able to keep up with the machine frame. At launch, AlgaLaser Alpha is equipped with a 20-watt optical power output laser model, as well as an air pump. Our 20-watt model is built using 4 individual diodes, all collimated into a single dot by COS optical technology. With this optical technology, not only we are able to increase by 40% the power density of the laser model at the focal point, but we are also able to maintain a very sharp and square dot size. At 30% power, our dot size is 0.08 by 0.07 mm, and at full power, 0.16 by 0.14 mm. While other brands only show you the dot size at 10% power, we are fully transparent on our specifications. You know exactly what you can expect. This means our AlgaLaser 20-watt model is fully capable of cutting with 1-pass 30mm pine wood, 10mm black acrylic, and even 1.15mm stainless steel. For ease of use, AlgaLaser 20-watt model can be focused with its spring-loaded mechanical focus slider, making adjusting focusing with extreme precision quite simple and fast. Here are a few examples of what our AlgaLaser 20-watt model can cut. Also, this is all the materials it can engrave on. Thank you everyone for watching this small introduction to AlgaLaser Alpha. Further specification, documentation, and information available on our website algalaser.com. Bye bye!